10 years in the industry, so ano na nga ba yung The Ones? Kamusta na kayo? Kamusta na tayo?
10 years in the industry and we are here living the best life we could ever live. We're very grateful na sa amin ika-10 taon, may mga bagay kaming nararanasan na ngayon pa lang namin nararanasan bilang isang banda. And God has been so good to us, I would say. And ina-acknowledge din po namin na bibihira yung ganitong klaseng karera. Nasa ika-10 taon mo, parang you're peaking at your 10th. And then I can honestly say in every aspect that this has been the best year for us so far.
And part of your best year is this project, yung konting anecdote lang, yung paano nyo siya tinapos sa Baguio. May mga memories pa kayo na hindi nyo makakalimutan sa Baguio when you finish the song.
Konting backtrack. So, nung gabi ng aming presentation, pinarinig sa amin RJ yung chorus nila sa acoustic. Sabi namin nito, uy, this is really nice, maybe we can work this out. So, the next day, yun ang aming first agenda of the day to finish off the song. And I vividly remember all of us contributing sa bawat verses, sa bawat linya. It's really a product of teamwork.
In doing the creative process ng song, hindi, sabi mo nga kanina sa press con, it's a collaborative effort, it's a team play.
Yeah.
Pero meron bang push and pull hanggang ngayon, 10 years in the process? O you know na how to work with each other?
It's a tension that we manage. Of course, we are still four different individuals with different preferences, coming from different backgrounds, even musically, and even songwriting-wise, we have different approach.
Yeah.
So, it's a tension that we manage because there are definitely creative choices na ang hirap i-unite, di ba? But at the end of the day, I think doon na may measure kung gaano kami ka-matured na bilang mga tao na mas pinipili namin ano yung magiging effective for our audience. Dahil the material, the song, the platform that we have is bigger than our ego. And yun yung binavalue namin ngayon na kung ano yung pinaka-effective sa listeners natin, yun yung ibibigay natin.
And I think that what resonates, nag-resonate sa listeners nyo kaya nagstay sila, kaya dumadami sila.
Yes.